Welcome to Texas Bead Adventures. I'm Brad Harrell, your host, and today we got us a flat tire, folks, on the old S185 Bobcat. These are really good tires. These Galaxy, I think they're called Hulk, something like that. But they're really good. Got some deep treads on them, really thick rubber. But man, I tell you what, well, it probably doesn't help that this rim is bent a little bit. But I have been wanting to go to a either a solid or a foam tire for a while. I just keep getting outvoted by my father. He says that it's too rough. But I just get so tired of having to air up tires and having flat tires. Especially, it's like whenever you don't want it to happen, it happens. So what are you doing, Red? What are you doing? Huh? There's a little kitty. This is Red. We call him Reddy Teddy. He came from our other house, and we brought him over here, and he's been helping out with things around here, right? Okay. So what we're going to do first is we are going to get this, put the forks down. I have the forks on there for right now. Put the forks down, and we are going to raise up the front, and I'm going to show y'all how to, with a ratchet strap and an air compressor, get this thing to set on the bead again, because right now it is completely off on this side over here. Let me see if that side's no. So the inside of the bead thankfully is not off, but the outside is off the bead on the rim. So we're gonna get that fixed. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. All right, you can also, oh, look at that. The tire in the back is freaking flat also. I just aired these up like yesterday or day before. They just go flat so fast. And as far as I know, they don't have any nails or anything in them. Not that I've seen. I think they just maybe time for some new rims and or tires. I don't know. Wears me out though. You can also raise the front until it starts hitting back here in the back, and this will touch and it'll actually raise the back also. You can put a block underneath there if you want to put a block, but you can raise all four tires off the ground by just lifting the forks or the bucket or whatever you have on here, pushing that down up against the ground, and it'll raise everything off the ground. So just a little FYI for you. Now sometimes with a little bit of Dawn mixed with some water, you can actually spray this bead right here, put an air chuck on it, hey Red, and you can get a hammer or even your foot, and you can bang it and it will pop back on there by itself. But for the purpose of the video, I'm just going to go ahead and show y'all using the ratchet strap. All right, what are you?
A shark.
You're a shark?
No, a shark squishy.
Oh no! Whoa, whoa, oh, it's dangers, it's dangers. All right, you get your ratchet strap. Now you can do this with a smaller ratchet strap. It doesn't have to be a big one like this. You just take it, you hook it there, okay? You want to be more or less in the middle, in between, you know, right in the middle of the two walls. And what you're doing is you're putting force in the middle, and it's pushing the sides out towards the wall, towards the bead. Okay? All right. Now, I already got my compressor hooked up. We're going to go ahead and, this is one of those heads on there that has the, you know, the clasp built into it. All right, here we go. See all the bubbles coming out. All right. Now, typically what I'll do is I'll have a helper, aka Birdie, or an actual helper, and I'll have him, while I'm pumping that up, I'll have him, or I'll loosen this and he'll be pumping, but I don't have that right now, so. Okay, so it's tight now. And we're gonna keep going. Just go ahead and air it on up. Go ahead and pull this off now. This works on other tires too. It's not just a Bobcat. It'll work on a truck, a car, anything that's doesn't have an inner tube in it. If it's got an inner tube in it, then you got a separate issue going on. Sometimes you'll even hear the bead pop on it, like, and that's when you know it's set, but this one didn't do that. What I'll probably do eventually is I'll probably buy some of that green, what do they call it, slime, tire slime. Probably end up putting it into some of these. The thing is, I don't know where the leak, I'm pretty sure the leak is coming from the actual, where the bead, where it's meeting, because like I said, this one was all kind of jacked up. Some of these beads don't look bad, they look good. So I was just fixing to put this machine on the trailer and I noticed all the little bubbles. So it definitely is leaking from around the bead on this one. Kind of looks like that one is too. Because I know that one was low, this one was off the bead. And I just checked the other side and those are all good. They're still holding air nice, so maybe time to get some new wheels for this, at least two. So anyway, thought that was interesting. I'm gonna go ahead and continue to fill the rest of the tires with air because I got to use it at a job site tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Texas Beard Adventures. I hope you learned something from this episode of Texas Beard Adventures. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. Check me out on Instagram at Texas Beard Adventures. Me and the wife of the kitties do all kinds of cool stuff over there. And I'll catch you on the flip side, you dang hillbillies.